Hello everybody and welcome to the YouTube channel. This is Paul speaking from Jap-Auto-Agent, and today we're going to do a video demonstration of a 2009 Toyota Alphard GL 3.5 litre V6. So this is with a V6 engine. It's got the cam chain. It isn't a cam belt, so there's no need to go into the cost of replacing a cam belt. This engine is married to a 6-speed automatic gearbox, and the vehicle is actually two-wheel drive. It was an auction grade 4 car, and as you can see it comes with full beige leather interior with Ottoman Business Class seats, and it's also got an Ottoman Business Class seat in the passenger side as well. The driver's seat has got memory seats for 3 preset positions for obviously 3 drivers. It's got 3 power doors and power back door included. It's a beautiful chassis underneath the vehicle. It's rust free. We've got a Dropbox file of photos you can have with over 60 photographs, still shot photographs showing the chassis underneath, but you'll see some yourself, as you can see here with the seats pushed forward, the load area that you can achieve in the back. You'll see that there's multiple speakers in the headlining. This vehicle has got a rear entertainment system that when it was new would have cost £1,000,000 yen, and that's about 7 grand. There you can see the chassis, very clean. So the vehicle can be supplied direct from Japan by the export invoice car cost price. That is the cost of the car loaded on the ship in the Japanese port. This will come to around 50% of the total cost of the car on the road in the UK. The balance is paid when the vehicle arrives at the UK port about 6 to 7 weeks later. That is when you pay the shipping charges, the duty, the VAT and the customs clearance. You would then arrange, well, we would arrange for the vehicle to have the speedo recalibrated and fog light fitted, and then the documentation sent off to DVLA for registration. So I stay with my customers right the way through to registration of the vehicle, and so you will end up with a vehicle parked on your drive that is absolutely stunning. And what's really good is it's a win-win opportunity. Not only do you get the chance to cherry pick and buy the best quality that can be found in Japan, but you get to save thousands of pounds on UK retail prices. This vehicle on the UK, if this particular vehicle was brought in this colour, in this condition, with these mileage on the UK market, retail, I would estimate 16,995, 17,995, possibly even more, depending who the retail dealer is. This car will land just under 13,000 for my customer. I'm not saying that you might not see vehicles with a cheaper prices on Auto Trader or eBay, but ask them to present you with the auction report, which we're going to do in a moment on this vehicle. That's when the reality hits home. This vehicle is the real deal. So if you're interested in this vehicle, you contact me and I will take you through the process in detail. I will provide you a breakdown of all the costs involved. I can never give a to the penny price because these prices are subject to currency fluctuations between the pound to the Japanese yen. But the first payment is, as I said, just over 50% of the total cost of the car on the road in the UK. You'll see this vehicle comes with HID lights, AFS lights. This is where the lights follow the steering wheel. The lights go in the direction that the wheels are pointing. It's got cruise control, heated front seats. You've got the isolator switch there for the power doors. You can switch them off if you wish, but there's the heater for the passenger seat. This list is just endless of very nice, top grade, top quality, top spec vehicle that your opportunity to buy here, with an engine and gearbox that will take you across Europe and cruise around Europe and not miss a beat. These are beautiful cars to drive. You've just got to get behind the wheel of one of these and drive it to know what it is I'm talking about. So basically it comes with auto. As I'm just looking at my list here, it's got front, side, curtain, airbags. It's got rear sonar, parking sonar with a rear camera, factory fitted, floor carpets, and they're all very, very clean. All the factory recalls have been completed. Any recalls, it's had them done. 59,000 miles, and there's the auction report. Grade 4, there's the spare keys. So there's one true fact about the cars that I supply is that my customers know exactly what's going to come off the boat in either Southampton, Bristol or Newcastle. So if you're interested in this particular vehicle or any particular vehicle, get on the phone, get to know me, learn how we work, and look forward to owning a nice car. Thank you for viewing the video, and speak to you soon. Bye bye.
We are a UK-based personal car import agent trading since 2004. We have a proven track record supplying thousands of Japanese cars direct from Japan to customers throughout the UK. Working as your appointed agent for a fixed commission, we provide a 4-step personal car import service. This is an opportunity to cherry pick and safely buy the best high-grade, low-mileage cars direct from Japanese car auctions at export trade prices for personal import to the UK. You will make large savings on UK retail prices while buying the best quality cars available in Japan. It's a genuine win-win opportunity. Before the auction starts, background checks and hands-on inspection are carried out by the Japanese staff. Under Japanese law, any accident history or mileage discrepancy must be declared by the auction and shown on the auction report. The truth is the best cars normally stay in Japan. They are bought by Japanese dealers for resale because the best cars will pass a strict Japanese roadworthy test, known as a shaken. Shaken failures are seen in Japan as fit for recycle or export. Many turn up in the UK without the auction report to maximise the dealer's profit margins. So it's vital to see a genuine translation of the auction report before the sale starts. Once we have found a particular car, we next arrange our hands-on inspection to confirm the condition matches the auction report and take a large number of photos. Keep in mind, we are not car dealers buying and selling for profit. Why supply bad cars when it's just as easy to supply a great car from the fountain of supply and simply keep adding to our long-established superb track record? Check out our customer reviews or head to our YouTube channel found on our website to see the quality of the cars we supply. To learn more, pick up the phone and speak to us direct without obligation. Ask for Paul. Telephone 01625 560 505 or on mobile 07989 560 505. Our email sales@Jap-Auto-Agent.com.